Good morning and welcome to the Bubba Show. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It is Monday, it is recap and preview, so I hope you guys all enjoyed yourself. And as we take a look, we've been looking for the move, we've been working it, we've been watching it, and finally Uncle Ben and his merry men came out and said something that wasn't quite so agreeable to markets, and down they went, just like Joe Frazier. Down goes Frazier, and that was really what happened. The markets have finally figured out that they can't go up forever on monopoly money and error and artificial movement. And of course, we finally saw exactly what was going to happen, and we got a pretty dramatic sell-off. After trying to rally Monday and trying to rally Tuesday, Wednesday came in, sat around, and it was interesting because late on Monday, the volatility rose. The volatility got creamed, and then all of a sudden the markets broke hard. And we were down a couple of hundred on Wednesday, and then of course Thursday we're down 300, and then Friday we had a little bit of a rally, which was totally expected off the level. And if you look at the levels that we talk about often here, the 1650 was the first resistance, which we held, get the 1652. We were then looking for 1580 as support, and we bounced off of 1577. So real solid, real good, information. Now the interesting was last week the gold markets got creamed. Gold was down $90 off the announcement. Oil was down. The entire space. So are we in a deflationary scenario? Not really yet, but it is something to think about. You also want to look at just the overall rise in interest rates. So what does that mean? Well, it means that money is coming out of the equity markets and looking to go into the interest rate market again. This is where the fixed income people really want to be. So if rates continue to rise, it'll be more money coming out of the equity market. But it was all pretty much predicted and forecast is on the show here, and in the writing that I do every day. We've kind of talked about this on a regular basis. So what do we look for now? Well, we're now at that 1580 key level. We got a nice bounce. I would look at 1600 as a resistance level and look to be a seller. Look at 1610 or 20 if we get through. I would look for still another bounce off of 1580, but I think before the next couple of weeks are over, we'd look probably for 1540. This is just the start. We're now down 6% in this latest correction. It looks to me we go down 12 to 15 to 20% off of this correction, and that's what we're going to continue to focus on. Now we're still going to focus on trading the levels and the charts, and not going to predict this market, but we're going to let it come to us and react to it. So when we look at what's going on, we've got a lot of information that needs to be focused on, and you have to stay in tune with what the charts are. If the charts show you something different, then we'll worry about that now. But right now we're looking for spots to sell, we're looking for spots to be short the market, we're looking for spots to keep ourselves clean and ready to rock and roll. That's really what we're looking for. Remember, I have the Bubba Show on Liberty Express Radio. Also remember the Monday night Average Joe Options call, really awesome. Looking forward to seeing you there. For Monday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Tuesday.